Asymptotes, we first have to simplify. So we'll need to factor the denominator. So because we have three terms, we're going to think about the factors of the first times the last, so 1 times 24, that sum up to the middle. So we need two numbers that sum up to 10, and that will be 6 and 4. Now, once you have the 6 and the 4, because of the fact that this is 1x squared, we can then just plop down that winning combination. So you could just immediately say that this factorization is going to be x plus 6 and x plus 4. Now, please note that you could also go over here and you could do your factoring by grouping, break this up into 6x plus 4x plus 24, and this will give you the same result if you do grouping as if you just plop it down. And the reason why we can do that is because of this 1x squared. So either way, we will get our factorization. Then we plug in that factorization into the function. So we have x plus 6 and x plus 4 for the denominator. And what we notice here is that we do have a factor in the numerator and denominator that we can cross out. And so when you cross out that factor, that is going to give you a whole. So anything that cancels or crosses out, that will result in a whole. So in this case, this x plus 4 is equal to 0 is going to be a whole. So we have a whole at x is equal to negative 4. Now, the leftovers in the denominator, so the denominator leftovers, when you set those equal to 0, that will give you your vertical asymptote. So what is left over is just x plus 6. So when we set the leftover factor in the denominator equal to 0, we get x is equal to negative 6. And that is our vertical asymptote. So do note this negative 4 is not a vertical asymptote. This is a hole in the graph, meaning that when I draw the graph, there will be a little hole at negative 4. Whereas the vertical asymptote, we would have a dotted line and we would be approaching that dotted line, that vertical asymptote. So the only answer as far as vertical asymptotes are concerned is that there's one vertical asymptote at negative 6.